School is a place where you learn, grow, and make new friends. A school is your second home, and it's always sad to say goodbye to your home. Let's recall some of the memories of this year. You joined classes with new friends and participated in different competitions and exams. Some days were hard while others were super easy. You shared knowledge, love, and care with everyone and tried your best in every way. Then there came a time when the world hit with a pandemic called COVID 19. Everyone had to keep social distance and stay at homes to get rid of it. But your love for school and knowledge didn't stop. You worked hard and studied from homes using Google Classrooms and Zoom. You followed up the lessons carefully and stayed punctual. You worked and worked to prove your love for your school. And here I am telling you, my dear students, you did your best and never gave up. So you are the champions of this school. Today, you finish your academic year with pride and knowledge. And let me tell you, I'll miss you and can't wait to see you again.